Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Among Us devil, so let's get started. To draw this awesome devil skin, let's first start by drawing the visor helmet area for this Among Us character. So I'm going to come right here once again and draw a curve, just like all my other Among Us drawings. And I'm going to come right across and create this ovalish shape. So right here I kind of like to make it a little bit straighter, and then come up, and then it's going to slant up. And right here it's a little bit sharper on the curve. And then just go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There. Okay, so from there we're going to go ahead and in this area draw a curve. Imagine that going through. And then I'm going to come out right here in the center, come out, say about this much. And we're going to start this curve right here for the body. And then let's go up. And I'm going to bring it right back down. So we're going to curve and bring it right back down to this. Went a little too slanted. Okay, there, much better. Okay, so then let's come down here. I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. And I'm going to come about this area, come down, say about here. About this area, I'm going to draw a curve. This is where the legs are going to start. So this comes down right here. And we're just going to bring this nice and soft curve, round it off, and connect for the feet. And so same thing here. We're going to go right about here. And this leg is going to be slightly shorter than the other leg because we are drawing at a slight angle. And connect. There. And then the pack, so about the center of this visor, I'm going to come about right here, draw a curve, bring it down, and connect about right there. And that is pretty much it for your basic Among Us character drawing. Now let's make it a devil. So we're going to come first thing in this corner right here. Since it's easier for my hand, I'm going to come up, say about right here, nice and tall. I'm going to bring down a line. And I'm going to start to curve these devil horns. So right here, just going to kind of sharpen it a little bit and then just bring it right in with a slight curve. And so same thing over here. So about in this area, once again, go up, about right there, and bring it down. Then we're just going to go ahead and tuck it in. So right there, and angle it in. There. So cool, right? Okay, and that is the devil hat, and that's it. But let's spruce it up, and let's see here. Let's give this devil here a skin, a suit. So I'm going to come about right here. So if you want to draw your basic devil hat, that would be it. But if you want to spruce it up, let's give him a suit right here. So let's draw a curve, and about in this area, I'm going to bring a curve down, kind of towards the center area, and go up. So I'm totally making this up, so hopefully you love how it turns out, just like my werewolf that I did. And let's give it a collar and a tie, because we have a very sophisticated devil. A tie right there. And then let's add a line right here for a suit and maybe a circle for a button. And let's see, let's add a tail, of course. So let's bring it about right here. And I'm just going to curve out, thicken this tail. And about right here, I'll draw the tail right here, the arrow, and connect there. And of course, this devil has to be holding a pitchfork, right? So in this area, let's draw a hand. So I'm going to come right here first and draw this cartoonish curve right here for a thumb. Bring it around. And then we're going to tuck in 3 ovals right here. 1, 2, and a smaller one, 3. And then right in this area, we're going to put in the pitchfork. So I'm just going to give it a slight angle. So whatever space you have left, just finish the hand. And let's bring this all the way down to kind of to where the foot is. And connect. All right there. And then we're going to bring this up. So see about right here. My wobbly staff. Okay, so then I'm going to skip a little bit space. Same thing here, skip a little bit space because I have the 2 prongs on the side, but I want to continue this nice and straight up. So it's a little bit easier if I do this part first, since I can't erase, so I'm still going forward, and about right there, I'll go ahead and draw the arrow top. And then now I can come back into the space and curve. Thicken it up, give it a little prong right here. And same thing over here. And thicken it up. There, now our devil among us devil, I mean, is complete. And I really hope you love how he turned out and that this inspires you to draw it too, just like my other Among Us characters in my Among Us playlist. So make sure to check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.